Hey guys, how you doing? We are getting through the week. Let me see. Hey guys, how you doing? We are finally getting through the week a little bit here. We got a holiday weekend coming up. I'm sure everybody's excited about that. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes today to discuss ways of working on investing in your business and growing your profits. I know that's always the key for business, to be able to grow your profits. If you're listening, please leave a message. Let me know that you're here. Just say hi in the comments. I like to see everybody. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Jayce and I am an accountant and owner of Hooked Accounting Services. I just wanted to go through this with you real quick so we can learn what we need to do to improve our profits and get a little more organized and work on our strategy a little bit. So most of the financial books and financial advising focuses on cutting your costs, decreasing your expenses in order to boost your profit. That does help, but also what helps grow your profit is investing in your business. Just like you have probably invested in yourself. I know I went to Florida Atlantic University to get my accounting degree, where I invested in myself. Student loans, oh so great, right? But by completing my degree in accounting, I am now able to have a bookkeeping business where I can work and enjoy my family and help business owners, which always makes me feel great that I can help you guys in doing things you may not understand, and we can work together on expanding and doing new projects for you. So by investing in myself, I'm able to grow my income and have the lifestyle I would like and to be successful like I've always wanted to. And we need to do this with our business, right? So the ability to invest equals the ability to grow. That's a key thing to keep in mind when you're looking at your business strategy. So we want to invest in our business to enjoy and see a return on our investment. As business owners, we think about investment as expenses oftentimes, which stunts our growth. Who wants expenses? We want profits, right? Well, we have to make investments, which means we might have to put out some money or get a loan or do something to where we can make our business better to serve our clients better, right? One of the best ways to invest in your business is to have your bookkeeping done routinely. This gives you the ability to track changes in profit, to understand how different business decisions are affecting your income. We can look at comparisons that track our expenses and our profits, our different business strategies in the past. It'll tell us how our different decisions have affected our profits, whether they increase them or decrease them. We can look at trends in our business. Maybe you're really busy as a business owner all year round, but you don't notice that, okay, during June and July I was the busiest, or during October and November I had a lull right before December. Being able to compare our financials on a month-to-month or quarter-to-quarter basis will definitely let us know where trends are. If we implemented a new strategy or project at the beginning of the year, we can reevaluate in June and say, okay, did that help my profits? Did it hurt my profits? It definitely gives you a way to, see where you can make investments. Okay, I made all this money at the beginning of the year. I have a lull. What can I do to reinvest some of that profit that I gained at the beginning of the year and really expand on that and bring in even more income? Please disregard my dogs. They've been locked up all day, so now they're going crazy. Just another joy of my day. So what can we do to have our financial statements, to know where we can invest, to understand how our investments are impacting our profits? Well, there's two ways to do that. You can do it yourself, You can work on YouTube videos and see if you can figure it out. Sometimes this is very time consuming. If you're trying to implement a new product line or give a client a new service, that might be taking up a lot of your time. So why don't you invest in a proven framework? One that is faster, takes up less of your time, but still gives you the information that you need to make these decisions, to make the correct investments and grow your business. So the proven framework would be to have a bookkeeper or an accountant who reviews your books, who does your bookkeeping so you know it's done right, so it's giving you the right numbers, who can help you in evaluating your financial statements so you can see, okay, during this quarter we made a profit, so we can go ahead and buy that new printer, or we can definitely focus on lowering our expenses during June and July because it's our slow season, and then we can pick up again towards the end of the year when we're getting closer to the holidays. So there's a couple steps in order to do that, and I know for me, with my bookkeeping services, these are the steps you would follow for me to help you better plan and grow your business. We can work together to read your financials and see where we can improve. So the first step would be to comment below or message me. You can also go to my Facebook page, Hooked Accounting Services, and it has my email, my phone number, all of the best ways to reach me. Then at that point I would schedule with you to do a welcome call or to meet, and we would determine what your needs are. Do you need monthly or quarterly financials? Do you need payroll or sales tax returns filed? How is your business growing? How have you been keeping your records so far? Maybe you're working on Excel and I can fast track it with QuickBooks. We'll work on how your processes will help import into mine, and then we can make that merge and work together. The third step would be the onboarding. Sign the service contract. I'll get your prior year's tax returns, your bank statements, and we'll move forward. We'll get on track. We'll make sure that we're moving in the right direction. A lot of times I'll ask clients to set me up as an accountant access on your bank account. That allows me just to view the bank statements and get those to do your bookkeeping, but I have access to no other kinds of activity on your bank account, so it's completely safe, and that way I can log in and get your bank statements. I don't have to bother you. I can keep up with your bookkeeping and just say, hey, your financials are done. Let me know when you have a minute to go over them so we can, see where you're at. The fourth step would be bringing everything current. Do I need to catch you up on 2021 because the extension deadline is coming up for the tax returns for 2021, and then get you current through 2022? Or we can just start right off from where you're at now. The fifth step would be to review and understand your financials. We'd go over what the financials look like, how you can read them, how we can learn from them and use them to our benefit moving forward. Sixth step is determine from those financials where you want to go in the future. Do you want to put money away for a new project? Do you want to bring down your expenses and find new vendors so that you can make more of a profit, and then we can make more investments? So we'll just kind of nail down where your future goals lie. And then 7, we just maintain on a routine basis. I do your bookkeeping monthly or quarterly, and we'll monitor your progress and against those goals and see where we need to pivot when applicable. Remember, we're going to forecast. If you didn't see the live from last week, go ahead and you can visit Hooked Accounting Services Facebook and see the live from last week where we talked about forecasting and how that allows you to pivot and make changes when you see that the changes need to occur. So these are just some simple steps. It'll definitely help you get to where you can look more at investing. We'll have your expenses under lock so you don't have to worry about that. We'll focus on how you can invest in your business, what are the best strategies to move forward, and how we can help you grow. That's what we're here for, right? It's to help you grow, be successful, take some of the stress of the bookkeeping off. That way you can focus on what you really know how to do. So if you have any questions or you'd like to talk with me, go ahead and give me a comment below, or again, my Facebook page, Hooked Accounting Services, LLC. I'd love to spend a few minutes talking with you and hopefully work together to make things easier. And while you're on my Facebook page, if you wouldn't mind liking the page and sharing to your friends, that would be great. And I hope everybody has a great week. Happy 4th of July. Please do something fun. Spend time with your family, but stay safe. And I will see you here again this time next week. So thank you and have a great day.